Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what are the assignment operators in Python and how we use them effectively with some simple exercise. So without further ado, let's get into it. Assignment operators are used for assigning the value to the variables. So these are the following assignment operators in Python. We will see one by one. You are already aware of the first assignment operator in this list that we have seen in our previous tutorials. The first operator equal to sign, which is used for assigning the value from right side operand to the left side operand. So here is the example. In this we are assigning the a plus b into the c by using the equal to operator. The second operator adds right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. In this, we are adding c into a and we are storing this value into c. Similarly, the third operator, which is used for subtracting right operand from the left operand and assigns the value to the left operand. So in this case, we are assigning c minus a value again to the c variable. Similarly, our next assignment operator, which multiplies right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. So again in this case, the c multiplied by a, this result we are storing into our c variable. Similarly, our next operator, which divides left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand, in which we are storing c divided by a value into the c variable. Our next operator is modulus, in which it takes the modulus using two operands and assign the result to the left operand. The next one is exponential, which performs the exponential calculation on operators and assign the value to the left operand. And the last one will be the floor division, which performs the floor division on the operators and assign it to the left operand. And now we will see how to use these assignment operators with some simple exercise. This is the Python command line, and for this exercise we will create three variables and assign some integer value to them. So our first will be a 20, b 15 and c 0. So these are our three variables. For the first operator, as you are already aware with the equal to operator, in this example we will store the addition of a and b into the c operator. So for this we will use the equal to operator here, equal to a plus b, and now we will print the c variable. As you can see, the addition of a plus b assigned to the c. For the next operator, we will be assigning the addition of c and a into the left operand, which will be the c. In this case, we will use c plus equal to a. In this operator, we are assigning the a plus c value into the c variable, which is the left operand. So to validate this, just use the print function again. As you can see, the value of c plus value of a is added and which is stored again in the left operand, which is c. Similarly for the next operator, so c minus equals to a, and similarly we will print our result. As you can see, the c minus a is stored again in the c variable. Similarly, we can do that for the multiplication and division operation. For that, we will multiply or divide c from a and we will store the value into the c. So similarly, c multiply equal to a. Again we will print c. As you can see, the result of a multiplied by c is again assigned to the c variable, which is the left operand. Similarly, for the divide, we will follow the same procedure here and we will print the result, as you can see. And for the modulus, in this case we will assign the modulus of two operands C and B, and we will store it in the left operand, which will be the C. So our left operand will be C, the modulus sign equals to and B. Again we will print the value of C. As you can see, the mod of two operands C and B is again stored in the left operand C. And the last but not least, the floor division operation. So it will perform the floor division on operators and assign the value to the left operand. For this we will perform floor division operation on the C and A operators, and we will store it again in the left operands, which is C. So in this case, C floor division equals to A. Again we will print the value C. I hope you got the clear understanding what are the different assignment operators in Python and how we are using them in this simple exercise. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates.